Hello friends, welcome to C++ tutorials. So as you see on your screen, this is the partner program that we already learned in the previous lesson. But now remember we wrote this program by using both for loop and if selection statement. Now I'm going to show you the simple way of write it by just using for loop without need for if statement. So keep watching this video until the end so that you will be able to implement it by just using for loop statement. So let us start. This is the pattern that we are going to deal with. But before starting coding, let us analyze this pattern now to check the condition behind, right? So as you see, for first row we have just 5 stars, right? But for second row we have only 4 stars. For third one is 3, fourth one is 2, and last one is 1. So as you see, for columns are decreasing based on row. For first row we have just 5 stars, but for second row we have just 4 stars. To mean is the 4 columns, right? As you see, columns are decreasing based on rows, right? So is the condition that we are going to use here by using for loop, right? Let us start by writing for loop to count I, which is equal to 1 as row. I must be less than or equal to 5, and then I must be increment. As you have seen, I is increasing from 1 to 5, right? You can come here and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But for columns are decreasing based on rows, right? It starts from column 5, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And decreasing until column remain with 1, as you see here, right? So that's why here our column must be increase, sorry, must be decrease, right? Yeah, must be start for, sorry, let us int j, which is equal to 5. As you see, it starts with 5, and then j must be greater or equal to I, as you have seen, and j must be decrement, right? Because we have seen that our j is decrement from 5 to 1, right? Our j start with 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first time. Then for second row our j will be decrement 1, 2, 3, 4, as you see, and then in that case j will still decrement until we remain with only 1 j or 1 column, right? So then print star space like this, and then if the row is finished we can now end line. See out end line here like this, so that once we finished for row number 1 we will end line and create new line for row number 2. Then row number 2, when is finished, also create row number 3 until we reach to the row number 5, right? So let us save it and run our program, right? So let us check an output. Yeah, you see, this is our output, right? Yeah, nothing is complicated. It's just to check the how these rows and columns works, right? Yeah, this is our expected output. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can get full lessons, C++ programming lessons, either other languages like HTML, CSS, and different languages. So see you in next video.